Good morning. So today is another day. It's Wednesday morning. It's only 7:30 a.m. We left the house early kasi it's Cute's schedule today for operation. So Cute has been suffering dysphagia. Dysphagia is a condition where you cannot swallow. Hindi ka makaswallow. So he's been having hard time eating. Thank you. Guys, so here we are at the Philchai vet in Makati, and it's Cute's schedule for surgery. So it's kind of sad that it's also Cute's first rescue anniversary with us. So it's actually his first year with us from being rescued. Cute was rescued along with Salt and Matty kasi they were rescued at Matiaga Street in Teachers Village in Quezon City. So all of our cats are either rescued or adopted. We didn't buy any of them. They're actually 20 na now, I think. My last count was 20 na sila. And usually they are named after where they were picked up or kung ano yung nangyari, or sometimes kung ano yung bagay sa kanila na name. Like si Toko was from Chuatoko, and then it's just that it's faster to remember if we name them after the street that they were rescued from. So ayun, it's a little sad that we had to do the surgery today, the operation today, kasi we were advised by the vet we have to do it as soon as possible. Kasi he's been having a hard time eating for the past month, and he has lost weight na, pumayat na siya kasi hinihirapan siyang mag-swallow. He's been throwing up every time he eats. He wanted to eat. He has the appetite to eat, but it's just that hindi niya malulun yung food niya. Talagang nilalabas niya. And it's a rare case in cats. And it's just sad that, he has it too. Among our cats, I think 2 of them has had surgery aside from being spayed and neutered. All of them, pag nasa right time, we have them spayed or neutered. Kasi we don't want to deal with yung sobrang bilis nila mag-multiply. So we have them spayed and neutered. We go to 3 or 4 vets, and we normally go to them kasi parang doon na kami suki. So this one, sa Philchai Animal Clinic, is one of the vets that we go to. And Doc De Castro is one of the vets that he's a veteran vet. He's a senior vet. He's one of the good ones. So if you have, kasi the problem here in the Philippines, most of the vets that we know are more into dogs. Mas gamay nila yung dogs kaysa sa cats. So we normally just go to vets whom we know na may doctor na okay sa cats or sanay sa cats. Hey guys, so it's been a very productive morning. We've already dropped Cute off sa vet, and sabi ni Dr. De Castro, baka i-delay mo na yung surgery. It's not, he wants other vets to check on Cute first before siya buksan, which is a good idea kasi he's not one of those doctors na gusto lang mag-surgery to earn money. He only does surgery when it's needed. That's what I like about him. And yung diagnosis niya in some of our cats, always tama. One time, we had this kitten na nakalabas na yung mata. We've been to 2 vets, and sabi ng mga doctors, kailangan siyang buksan. Kailangan siyang i-surgery. It's a tiny cat, bagong rescue namin. Tapos lahat ng vet gusto siyang i-surgery, but si Dr. De Castro said, no, wild. You only have to put drops and ganyan, maintain. True enough, hindi siya kailangan i-surgery. That is Scenic Fury yun, yung medyo may yung mata niya. Kasi lumabas yung isang mata niya nung ni-rescue namin siya. So now, he's never undergone surgery, pero gumaling yung mata niya. So that's why we go to Dr. De Castro, kasi he's a good doctor. He's a senior doctor, and he knows what he's doing, especially with cats. After that, I had a meeting with Casa de Lorenzo, kasi we're preparing for our workshop this Saturday. And I hope you guys can join. If this comes out before Saturday, that's July 28th. So, you can get in touch with them kasi sila yung nag-organize. So, you have to get in touch with them. I'm only a speaker for the event. After that, we're here. We're having our car check. Nandun siya sa baba. So, this Talier has a coffee shop upstairs. So, I'm inside the coffee shop. Look, mayroon pa silang KitchenAid. And, oh, by the way, did you know I bought my own KitchenAid for my workshop this September? I'll be putting the event invite here. And so I have a bath bomb and shampoo bar workshop this September. I even bought my own KitchenAid so that everybody can use it. We'll also be having the automatic press. I imported that machine. All the machines that we need, we have it. So it's gonna be super exciting. And what else? Later on, I'll be meeting with my friends. We're gonna be having a session at Sip and Go in Podium. It's my first time to go Sip and Go. I'm not really into painting, but one of my friends, si Mitzi, you've seen her in some of my vlogs. She's into painting and arts, so she wanted to do it with us, with me and Mylene. So, okay, we'll do it with her. By the way, Mitzi wants a mukbang video. So if you guys want to see me do mukbang, comment below if you want to see me and Mitzi do a mukbang. As I was saying, I'm not really into mukbang, but if you guys want me to do a mukbang video, I'm sure Mitzi will be more than happy to do it with me. So comment below if you want me to do a mukbang video and what kind of mukbang video, because I know there are a lot. And basta ayoko lang yung spicy. So if you have other ideas, like what do you want me to do? Is it Korean snacks or whatever kind of mukbang? Just comment below and maybe we can work on that. Hey guys, so it's my first time here at Sip and Go and I'm pretty much excited for today. Basically, Sip and Go costs for about 1,000 pesos and then you get to choose whatever painting you want to recreate. Hey Mai! Are you excited? Yeah. And then while you're having your painting, you can pick some snacks and drinks. So it comes with the price. Once you've selected your painting, you can just ask the staff to assist you. Or if you're a newbie like me, you can just ask them to guide you, even sketch the outline for you so that it's easier for you to recreate the painting.
From light to dark. As much as possible, iwasan na lang yung muna siya, slide to I think to this point. Kasi dito, pure blue siya. Fever blend siya sa style. Ito na po siya. Diyan din sa wheel.
Iwasan mo lang matikin.
Okay. Sige. Ayun! So I just did that to create all these stars, and here's my final output. Let me just take it back to our desk kasi I had to be away para hindi matalsikan yung food namin. Si Richie pinapatakpan yung mga wine.
Bawal may puti.
Lagyan na raw ng stars. Okay, hire ko.
Better than the original.
Yung cut ng mga ini. Wow, so cool.
Pag fine arts, maganda yung gusto.
Hello?
Galing.
Hello?
Sa beach ako.
Okay, so we have snacks. We just finished our session at Sip and Go, and here's my OOTD for today. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. My friends and I truly enjoyed our session at Sip and Go. And we hope to see you in our next vlog. Bye!